Hey, what's up you guys? Chris here from T.Wheels, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a mirror, phone holder, and cup holder onto an electric scooter. Let's get into it. So first off you guys, we're going to be installing the mirror onto the electric scooter. Now this mirror we bought off Amazon, the link is in the description of this video. And when you open up the packaging, it comes with 3 or 4 pieces. So you get the actual mirror, the attachment piece that goes onto the handlebar, the locking mechanism and screw that helps secure the mirror to the handle. So when you want to put this on, you want to take the attachment piece and throw it onto the handle. Typically, if this was another electric scooter, you wouldn't want to put it right on the grip, you would put it on the handlebar here. But on the Kugo G2 Pro, the handlebar is very slim, so this slides around. So what we're going to do is we're just going to attach that onto the handlebar there. And you want to be aware of this little button that they have on the back. This little button is what you're going to use to essentially clip in the mirror to this attacher. So once you've got that secured, you want to throw on the mirror until you hear it click. Once you hear it click, it means that essentially the mirror is clasped into place. Then you want to take this little locking mechanism and slide it in on the mirror. Take the screw, run it up, and start screwing in the mirror. Once it starts to get a little bit harder to screw this in, then you want to adjust your mirror to where you want it on the scooter. So upright. Typically you want this to be on your right-hand side. Or if you stand on the scooter and you face more so to the left, you want the mirror to be on the right, and vice versa. This helps you see cars, pedestrians, and whatnot behind you when you're riding. So once that's screwed into place, you can adjust it while you ride to make sure you can see behind you. Next up is the phone holder. So for this, we're going to be using a Segway 9-watt phone holder. Again, the link is in the bio of this video. When you open up the packaging, it comes with 3 pieces: the phone holder, the attacher, and the screw. This one is really simple. You throw the attacher onto the handlebar of your scooter, and then put the phone holder on top of that. You want to come underneath the phone holder with the screw, make sure it lines up with the holes, and then start screwing that in. Again, when you start to feel it get a bit tighter, you can adjust it to where you want it to sit on your scooter, tighten it in fully, and there you go, phone holder attached to your scooter. Now for the cup holder, we got this one off of Amazon. It's not the greatest one. There's tons of options if you just look up cup holder for bike or bike handlebar, but we also put the link for this one in the description of the video. When you open up the packaging, you will get the cup holder, the attacher, and a little piece of rubber that you're supposed to put in between the handlebar and the attacher to avoid scratching. So you want to just put that little piece of rubber inside of the attacher. Make sure that this is unscrewed all the way so that you can wrap it around the handlebar. Then once that's on, you want to start screwing it into place. Once that's screwed on tightly, you'll see that on the back of the cup holder there's this little slit. You line that up with the button that is on the front of the cup holder, and it should just slide in like that. So there you have it, you guys. If you want to install a phone holder, cup holder, or a mirror on your electric scooter, use this video as a set of instructions. For more great electric scooter content, be sure to follow T.Wheels.